There we go. Let's go to this one over here first. Keep an eye out on the ground. Let's go back this way. Oh, yeah.
Oh, I don't like that. That's a whole moment.
Yeah.
It moved. Look.
Yeah, I saw.
Okay.
I saw. Let's go just.
Oh, the other way.
Yeah. Oh, the ant.
Oh, there's a spider. Spider web.
Yeah, but
It's baby.
that's not opening. Oh, there's a shoe. My shoe. It's an old ass shoe. There we go. There's another door though. Okay. No, it does not. Just oh, okay. So walk sideways, stay, look right here and straight over here. Yeah, we're okay over here. Wow. Ooh. That scared me. Whoa, this was the kitchen. I have old Tupperware. Whoa. That's sad. This home looks really pretty. Although the rooms are kind of odd. Bathtub. This is probably really, really, really old.
What?
Did you feel that?
No.
Was that you?
I didn't feel right or anything.
Oh, okay. All right. To look over here. Okay, hold. Stay right there.
Okay.
Oof. Okay, this was just the front room. I think there was a fireplace, but I am definitely not stepping on those floorboards though. Let me make sure I close it. Yeah, wasps. Wasps love this place. My shoe. All right, one at a time. And stay to the left, to the left, to the left. All right. All right, let me close the door.